Welcome back, everybody. This is George with you at the Volo Auto Museum, and today I want to invite you on a virtual test drive inside a 1963 Ford Galaxie 500 XL. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Turn on those notifications by clicking that bell icon. That way you don't miss out on any of the videos we do. You don't miss out on the car of your dreams. And the purpose of these virtual test drive videos is to virtually put you in the driver's seat no matter where you are in this world, so you get a sense of how this baby goes down the road, sounds like, handles, and you get to see it out in its natural habitat. For all additional information, when we're done here, I want you to go on over to volocars.com. That's VOLO cars.com. Right there, you're going to see a couple hundred pictures of this car along with all the other ones we have for sale. We're talking undercarriage, inside, outside, above. We have the selling price and detailed write-up. We try to get as detailed as possible, so when you give us a call, you're knowledgeable, you're confident, and the whole sales process goes a lot smoother. Absolute beauty. Let's go ahead and get in. Door pops open nice. The interior looks fantastic. You see the chrome around the seats. The floor mat's protected. Everything looks really, really awesome. Let's go ahead and buckle up here. All right, it does have your 4-speed manual. Let's go ahead and start her up. Starts up real nice. Sounds healthy. Now I noticed it has the Kenwood setup here. I tinkered with it for a second. I would have to spend a little bit more time to figure out how to work it. The air kicks on. Like I said, everything in here looks really great, really well restored. I'm not seeing any damage at all. Up here you have your fuel gauge. That one clicked over a little bit once I put a couple of gallons in, so that's working good. Then you have your engine temp. We'll keep an eye on that. This is the first time myself or anyone else from the shop's been able to take this out, so we're experiencing everything firsthand together. And I am going to start off just kind of getting used to her, and then I'm going to open up a little bit towards the end. All right, let's go for a ride. I love these boats. Shift's nice and easy, drives straight. Steering seems pretty tight. You move it a degree one way or the other, you're starting to go already. Speedo's working. What an easy cruiser. Like I said, clutch feels great, just the right amount of pressure kicking back at you. See how it handles over this road here. It sounds solid. I didn't hear any noise going over those bumps. Let's see. I know this isn't going to be a race car, but let's see what she does. Oh, she has plenty of get up and go. Easy to control. control, fun to throw through the gears. And just cruising. It's a really comfortable, beautiful, just great functioning car. I love it. And I've seen some Galaxies come through, and this one is one of the more beautiful ones. Let's see. Look at that good turning radius. Amazing, fun car to drive. I love it. I hope you enjoyed this as much as I did. Like I said, click subscribe on the YouTube channel, turn on those notifications, and now's the time to head on over to volocars.com. Check out the pictures, the write-up, the pricing, and give our sales department a call. As always, I appreciate you.